Good day, my country people. Unknown gunmen kidnapped a senator representing a symbol, Nelson Effiong. It was said that hoodlums attacked him on the road and stopped the car which he was in, then pushed him in Toyota Camry car which they used and came for the adoption and whisked away. It was a tragedy. Who knows what they will call for is ransom. Well, my condolence towards the family of Nelson Effiong. My condolence, our prayer is that they will not kill him, but at least they will release him. Well, we all should be careful these days because the rate of adoption these days, this time is. In fact, I didn't know the way that we use and qualify the rate of adoption these days. They adopt anybody they deem fit. And the ways that they don't know these people that is behind all these adoptions. You cannot see their face. They are called unknown gunmen. Unknown means you didn't know them. You can't even trace them. You can't even find them. Well, I just pray that our good Lord will save Nelson Effiong. Please, I would like you all to watch this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, injustice. I love you.